What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Two Legit Reviews, where we test real products and give you real opinions. Today, we're looking at something pretty interesting. An AI-powered voice recorder that promises to transcribe, summarize, and organize your conversations automatically. It's called the Plaud Note, and it's thinner than a credit card. Let's get into it. This is the Plaud Note AI voice recorder. It retails for $159, comes with 64 gigs of storage, and uses AI models like GPT and Claude to turn your recordings into structured notes, summaries, and to-do lists. Just a heads up, product links in this video are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission at zero cost to you. So why does this thing exist when we all have voice memos on our phones? 2 words, AI transcription. But also, look at this form factor. It's 0.12 inches thick. It weighs 1.06 ounces. You stick it to the back of your phone with the included MagSafe case and you literally forget it's there. 30 hours of continuous recording, 60 days of standby. That's not a gimmick, that's a serious tool. Here's what you get: the Plaud Note device itself, a magnetic leather case that sticks to your phone, a magnetic ring if your phone doesn't have MagSafe, and a USB-C charging cable. It comes with a free starter plan that gives you 300 transcription minutes per month. That replenishes every month. It's not a one-time allocation. If you need more, the Pro plan is 1,200 minutes for about $8.34 a month billed annually. This product has a really clear target audience. If you're in meetings all day, if you're a student recording lectures, if you do client calls and need accurate notes, this is built for you. It even has HIPAA compliance, so medical professionals can use it for patient documentation. One reviewer who is visually impaired said it replaced specialist devices that cost $500 or more. That's a real use case. One thing that sets this apart is the dual mode recording. There's a physical switch on the device. Flip it one way for phone calls. It uses what Plaud calls a vibration conduction sensor, or VCS, that picks up the audio directly through your phone's body, not through the speaker. Flip it the other way for in-person meetings, and it captures ambient sound. It supports 112 languages for transcription. That's not a niche feature, that's genuinely broad. Here's where the magic happens. You record something, sync it to the app, and the AI goes to work. It transcribes your audio, then generates structured summaries with headings, subheadings, and key takeaways. You can choose from over 10,000 professional templates. Want a mind map? Done. A prioritized to-do list? Done. A meeting summary formatted for your boss? Done. Reviewers consistently say the transcription quality beats Dragon NaturallySpeaking and Apple's built-in transcription. That's high praise. With nearly 1,400 reviews and a 4.5-star average, this thing has a strong track record. 78% of reviewers gave it 5 stars. People love the transcription quality, the battery life, and the slim form factor. One reviewer called it an indispensable daily tool for organizing thoughts while walking. Another said it replaced their old dictation software entirely. The MagSafe case gets mentioned over and over as a killer feature. Alright, let's keep it real. The biggest complaint is the subscription model. The free 300 minutes per month is generous for light users, but if you're recording multiple long meetings daily, you'll burn through that and need the Pro plan at about $100 a year. A few reviewers got dead units out of the box. That's a quality control issue, not a design flaw, and Amazon's return policy covers it. Setup directions could be clearer according to some non-technical users. And the app's accessibility for screen reader users needs improvement, though the company seems responsive to feedback. For a device that records your conversations, privacy matters. Claude has gone all in on certifications ISO 27001, SOX 2, HIPAA, GDPR, and more. Local data is encrypted on the device. Cloud processing only happens when you authorize it. This isn't some random gadget from a company you've never heard of. These are enterprise-grade security standards. That said, one technically minded reviewer flagged that data handling transparency could be better regarding where cloud data is stored. At $159, the Plaud Note sits in an interesting spot. If you only need 300 minutes a month, that's your total cost, no subscription needed. Compared to Dragon NaturallySpeaking, which can run $500+, or Otter.ai, which is $17 a month but doesn't give you a physical device, the Plaud Note holds its own on value. The hardware plus AI combo is what justifies the price. So, here's the bottom line. The Plaud Note is a genuinely innovative product that delivers on its core promise: AI-powered transcription and summarization in a form factor that disappears on the back of your phone. The hardware is excellent, the AI integration is smart, and the privacy credentials are real. The subscription cost is the main caveat, but the free plan covers casual use. We're calling this one legit, 4.2 out of 5. If you take lots of meetings or need hands-free note-taking, this is worth your money. If this review helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more real product reviews. Product links are in the description. They're affiliate links, so we earn a small commission at no cost to you. Got questions about the Plaud Note? Drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.